Exhale. Dve inhale. Dve exhale. Trini inhale. Interlace the fingers and press it towards the floor. Moola Bandh, Jalandhar Bandh. Chin to chest, Jalandhar. Glute engaged, Moola Bandh. Extend the hand up against your thighs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhaling, dropping the lower back down. Bend your knees slightly. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sink the lower back. 5, 6, 7. Inhaling. Now from here, the left leg will come out and will be placed on the right knee or right thigh. Slightly move back and lower back should not come up. 1, 2. Now this is good for sciatica nerves, lower back pain. 3. Pull the right foot, left foot and press the left knee. Right palm holding the left foot, left hand pressing the left knee. Right foot is active. Fold forward, interlace the finger. 1, elbows outward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take the left foot and get closer to your head. Forehead, eyebrow center. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, coming back. Exhaling, moving your foot, left foot up and change the leg. Place the right foot. Press the knee away. Pull the foot. Press the knee away. Right knee is moving away with the right hand. Pull the right foot with the left hand. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathe out. Breathing in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale and fold forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Foot to eyebrow center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, come back. Exhale, release. Relaxed. Turn around. You can help others in pressing the knees using your knees. आप क्या कर सकते हो? आप अपने नी से अपने फ्रेंड के नीज को प्रेस कर सकते हो. If you're feeling congested, feet opening, Baddha Konasana. Students, now you will be doing a twist where your right foot will come in the left box and the left foot will come in the right box. So the legs are crisscross and the stomach will come on the floor. The head will turn right side. The head will turn to the right side. You are just doing a different shavasana, that's all. The legs has to be cross. See? The legs is crossed and then you are doing it. So right leg is left box. Your right leg is left box. Just right leg is in the left box. Turn the head opposite side. Now taking the left hand towards the right side. Left hand from the floor side. From the floor side itself, yeah. From the floor. No, from the floor, yeah. Left hand against the floor towards the right side it is moving. Aha, yes. Yeah. 1, 2, this. 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Changing the side. आप अभी यहाँ पे ही चेंज कीजिए. पहले कीजिए, ये कीजिए. लेफ्ट फुट जो है वो राइट बॉक्स में जाएगा और जो राइट फुट है वो लेफ्ट बॉक्स में जाएगा. ठीक है. अब यहाँ से आप स्टमक को फ्लोर पे डालेंगे. टर्न द हेड. ठीक है. And take your right hand inside from the floor side. Keep finding the twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's counter for your hands. 6, 7, 8, 9,